Looking for premium wireless earbuds that won't break the bank? Meet the CMF Buds Pro 2 by Nothing, the ultimate budget powerhouse. What sets these apart is the innovative smart dial on the charging case. It lets you control volume, skip tracks, and toggle noise cancellation with a simple twist or click. When it comes to sound, these are packed with dual drivers and spatial audio effect, delivering crisp highs and deep, punching bass. Plus, the 50 decibel Hybrid Active Noise Cancellation instantly blocks out the world around you. With up to 43 hours of total battery life and lightning-fast charging, your music never stops. Upgrade your audio game today. The official Amazon link with the best discount is right below in the description box. Click the link to grab yours and hit subscribe for more top tech reviews.